fellow creatives. This is Munye Scripts from Munye Scripts Lifestyle and Gary Films Production. So I happen to form this Munye Scripts Lifestyle channel for us to share, okay? Me to share with my fellow creatives in editing softwares, animating softwares, how we could earn from the content we create, soft disciplines as creatives, as people who are in the creative world, okay? So if at all we have anything to share, okay, this is a platform for us to like keep sharing, okay, and learn from one another. So if at all you have a question out there and you would want to share that something with us, with fellow creatives, this is a channel that you would look up to, okay? So endeavor to see that you learn from this channel, you subscribe, you comment, and if you're out there and you haven't maybe watched any videos from the Munye Scripts Lifestyle channel, endeavor to see that you join it, endeavor to see that you become part of the channel. So I would be introducing new stuff every now and then, okay? So endeavor to see that you become part and we grow up together, both financially and in discipline, okay? So endeavor to see that you become part of this channel, and that is all. Thank you for watching, thank you for having subscribed to the channel, and thank you for doing everything you do to see that art lives and art exists. I love you.